Just keep backing up, Dad, and go this way. Or you can go that way. Let's go take a look at it.
We didn't lose the battery, did we?
That all looks good.
You got a little while in there.
Does he have the GoPro?
It wasn't working. Try it.
Was it
Yep,
working?
try it.
Okay.
I think I can drive down there. Okay, so Dad, I'm gonna try going down here and then take a right-hand 90 and go down there.
Okay, I see Brock's down there.
So just guide me down right there and then let me know if I'm gonna drop off anything that I don't see.
Guide you down?
Here's Rocky, so
you
you're not yelling.
You wanna film?
Yeah.
You lock out the front so that thing's not spinning.
Yep. This wasn't the same battery that was in there, so the posts were up top.
Should I bring my home cruiser down there too, or just grab my big light and come down?
Just him.
Just you.
I think it's fine, just as long as it starts.
I can see if I can drive up to that pole.
Well, I'm already there. Yeah, we're hooking up no matter what.
Yeah.
So I might as well just do it. We're gonna have to get a little western going up there though.
Well, that's my one concern. Let's see here. Yeah, the upper link right there. We threw a tow strap around one of my front drive shaft rope. We threw a strap around the axle, and then they tried to tow me up that hill over there, and it started to rip the link out. So that, see how that link's ripped?
Well, I'm not gonna hook to that. I'm gonna hook up here to your frame.
So that's my concern. That's what the ratchet straps are for. I'm gonna just ratchet from here to here to hopefully hold it together.
In fact, I wouldn't even worry about that. I would just cinch up your winch a little bit.
Well, yeah, but the winch isn't working either.
Oh.
Yeah, everything kind of all broke at once. It was kind of a weird striking of events today.
Move the rope. Bring it back up. No, you're good. Actually, I'm gonna have you go forward.
Okay, so we've got the blue diesel hooked up there. The winch from Black Betty is hooked up to the blue diesel up there pulling Black Betty. Black Betty is hooked up to this buggy down here pulling the buggy up the hill. That's up to my knee right there. That's from his tires.
It's starting to snug up. Hey, now it's tight. Are you on the brakes? No.
neutral.
That's sitting neutral, I think. Can you put a light right here?
Yeah.
Might have got popped.
Now go ahead and start pulling
Axle
you.
still look okay?
So it comes around the corner a little bit.
I heard it.
Yeah, neither one of them. Stop! Pinion's rotating up. Yeah, because the link's broken and it's the yoke is hitting the cage.
Stay out from behind it.
Leave it like that. It's good. Don't let off.
The front wheels are not turning at
Yeah, I know. I don't know why.
Well, it's because you're wedging up against the roll cage, and it's stopping it right here.
Yeah.
So we've got to rotate your diff that way farther.
Yeah. Okay, I can see it hitting right there.
Yeah, right
So
there.
this.
So that's, yeah, got to be a lot tighter and suck it up that way.
Okay. We'll use that one back
As a safety, yeah. Yeah, because this one's
Not
now
doing
it's totally
anything,
loose
yeah.
now.
more.
Yeah,
Okay.
more.
If it will.
Perfect. There you go.
Okay, that's good, because
good.
now it's sucking the body down and making it close again.
Let's get that on one.
Caleb, let off the winch just a little bit. Caleb! Caleb! Caleb!
Is that your family up there? Somebody else? They're just enjoying the show.
There we go.
Amen.
Hey, look, they roll now.
Yeah.
Once it's on top, we'll just swing it.
Yep. Always works for me. Want me to turn left or straight?
Keep it straight for a while. We'll get the tires clear over there. Just walk around.
Get it?
Once it's on the top, we'll lift it, boom, and then just carry it out.
Oh, really?
So the front will be in the air.
Sweet. Right, we're rock crawling now.
Sand crawling.
Sand crawling.
Well, I guess technically the rocks are just itty bitty ones.
Guys,
Lots of them.
so we pull it up and get it up, flung over on the road before we hook up the swing, or try to hook it up right there?
I'd hook it up here and
Because we're at a bad angle. Take it down. See if you can come this way a little.
that's good.
Right there. Right there.
He was hitting before.
That won't make any more damage to the link that's broken?
No, because it'll be pulling on the lower links, not the upper.
Okay, alright.
So it's gonna kind of cradle him. We're gonna watch it real close when we lift
Okay,
it,
alright.
but it's gonna kind of cradle him, so it should be okay.
Just tighten this one a little more.
Let's see if we can push the buggies to that more.
Where you doing it?
This,
Oh, that way?
yeah, same way as before.
Cool.
Yep, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we can get a little bit more out of that one.
Watch your toes.
What up, kids?
Okay, can you kill those lights? Back up with the boom. Yeah, can you kill those lights?
Stop. There goes my run. Can't
straight on.
Okay. It was a pretty fun day today.
Hey, Ben fell over.
Caleb and I had been asked to judge one of the Wee Rock competitions, and they were short judges. So Brock, he helped judge also, and it was all of our first time judging in a Wee Rock competition. So he had kind of a crash course in scoring, and it was really interesting. It was a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun.
A lot of fun.
It's a good experience. If you haven't been to Trail Hero, make time. It's worth it.
It's a must.
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
This is both our first years we've not been. And so it was awesome being invited to help and kind of an excuse to come and experience it. And I'm coming back every year.
And
special thanks to Rich for inviting us and Crystal Coleman for setting it all up.
We've got our t-shirts on the website.
Ben'sOffroad.com, Ben'sOffroadRecovery.com.
We've got Yankum ropes. If you use our promo code, you can get a discount.
And there's a link on our website straight to Yankum.
We try and just film what we do, but a lot of times we forget because we're really bad at this. But if you remind us in the comments, then people will start remembering to film all the other stuff that we do too. So, thanks for watching.
There's plenty.
It's good. Yeah.
It's
thanks
all
for
good.
watching.
Thanks for watching.